So I'm going to show you how to clean a door panel on a 2017 BMW M4. It's not bad, just has some makeup on it, on this textured door panel. It's almost like a vinyl rubber. Using my brush that I ordered, I'll have them available soon. It's got a very strong bristle for the texture, and I spray some on the bristle, and then I just evenly wipe it across the panel that I'm trying to clean, and kind of let it soak a little bit. I kind of keep it out of the trim, and I don't go over the trim with the brush, even though this is scratch resistant. You just want to be sure. So just kind of scrub it a little bit. Some makeups are harder to get out than others, but they all come out. Sometimes you just got to scrub a little more. So I've been using this style brush for 18 years, and I lost a few of them over the years, and forced me to come up with my own solution. I couldn't find a brush that worked for me anywhere. They all seemed too soft. They didn't scrub enough. They didn't have the right strength. So I had to come up with my own. So I'm going to wipe the dirt and makeup off and get it out of the texture. That's the biggest thing. And then you gotta let it dry a little bit. And if you wanted to dress it afterwards, you can. I like to leave a nice dry, clean look. So there you go. There's some dirt came out of it. Not bad. But this is a brand new car, so imagine if it was a year worth of buildup. But and it will dry, and you'll see it's nice and clean. Looks like it just came out of the factory. So, but yeah, I like to leave it like it just came out of the factory. No dressings, no conditioners. That's my style. You may want to put some conditioner on it, but the dirt will stick to it more the more stuff is on the door panel. So once it's dry, it's just nice and clean, and there you have it. Pretty simple. And I kept it out of the trim. You don't want any drips to get in there. It's not going to hurt it, but you know, over the years, I mean, maybe if there's wood trim, you don't want to get too much moisture in there, and I don't get moisture on the buttons either. I'll just dampen the rag and, you know, just kind of wipe it in there to clean it. So, all right, hope that helps.